Hey everybody, it's Adam from the Backyard Barbecue Boys. Hit with a crazy ass snowstorm. It's still snowing. Let's check this out. Holy smokes. Opening the door. Woo! It's as deep as the floor. Oh my Jesus. Where do my steps end? That's a good question. Whoa! I guess right there. Yeah, it's pretty deep, I'd say. Holy crap. Alright, gotta start shoveling. Okay, so I dug out a little bit, just a little bit, and it's pretty deep. Yeah, keep digging. It means we could drive, Ant. Are you shoveling? Look at me. Ant from the Backyard Barbecue Boys, shoveling away. That's right, do my dirty work, Ant. No. I do have to say, nature definitely makes some pretty cool sculptures. It's crazy, the drifts. The snow drifts are up to my waist. Pretty crazy. Building a nice snow fort for the boys. That's probably at 5.5 feet right now. We'll get bigger. All right. See you guys later.